Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Atuko Sharon. Today I'm going to talk to you about the tourist attraction sites that we have in Bukedea District. We have a variety of tourist attraction sites in Teso region, but for now I'll focus in Bukedea District. There are a lot of tourist attraction sites in Bukedea District, but I'll mention only one for now. In the northern corridor of Bukedea District, that is in Malera and Kolir, we have buffaloes, we have hippopotamus, we have the cobs, and we have the rabbits. These attract the tourists to come in Bukedea District and invest in the tourist industry. I will talk about my clan, that is the Itekok clan. It's a very unique clan and a special one because we are peacemakers. We know how to solve wrangles, to handle conflicts, and to put people at peace. And that makes us a very unique clan in Teso region. Thank you very much. I've been yours, Atuko Sharon, emuria, kolir. Yoga Kere, Ekakirol, Atuko Sharon. I'm going to teach you about how the Iteso dress up. This is how we dress up in the Iteso tradition. This is known as aisuka in the tradition of the Itesos. The girls put on these beads, which are of great significance in the Teso tradition. They attract suitors for those who do not have suitors, and they make them very beautiful in the Teso tradition. This is a pot that we use for fetching water, and you can also use it in taking our local brew known as the adron. I will talk to you about what makes the Iteso tradition and the ladies very special. During our traditional marriage, the ladies put on dress, commonly known as the emuria, which signifies the continuity of the Teso culture and the Teso tradition. I will tell you the story from the past about being an Iteso woman from my clan. I am from the clan of the Itekok, a clan commonly known for peacemakers. Ladies from my clan used to sit down while having their food. They used not to sit with men while having food. They used to dress up decently, just like the way I'm dressed right now. And that makes us special from other ladies around the country. Thank you very much. Have been yours, Atuko Sharon, emuria, kolir.